Hello, welcome to Operations Management. In this lecture, I will talk about moving average approach for forecasting. So, for moving average, you will be asked to calculate, suppose 2-period moving average. Moving average I will represent by MA. 3-period moving average. Or n-period moving average. So they can ask any number of periods to calculate the moving average. So if they ask us 2-period moving average, we take the average of previous 2 time periods to calculate next time periods forecast. If they ask us 3-period moving average, we will take the average of previous 3 periods actual values to forecast the next time period. So let's see an example. If there is an XYZ company which sells chairs. So this company, maybe if we have a data on Monday of a certain week, the actual sales are 20 units. So on a certain Monday, the company sells 20 chairs, and then we wanted to forecast Tuesday by using 2-period moving average, suppose. So as the name specifies, for a 2-period we need previous 2 time periods actual sales. So that is, we need the actual sales for Sunday and Saturday of previous weeks to forecast Monday of this week. Since we don't have actual values, we are not able to forecast Monday's forecast. So similarly, if we want to forecast Tuesday, and suppose we got at the end of Monday we got actual sales 20. So to forecast Tuesday, we need Monday and Sunday's actual value. We have Monday's actual value, which is 20, but we don't have Sunday's actual value, so we will not be able to predict Tuesday also. And then if we want to predict Wednesday, so now since we wanted to predict Wednesday, we can predict at the end of Tuesday. Suppose the Tuesday's demand is 30 or actual sales is 30. So to calculate Wednesday's forecast, we take the average of previous 2 time periods, which is Tuesday and Monday. So that is 20 plus 30 divided by 2. This is going to be 25. So that would be our forecast for Wednesday. Now for Thursday, to forecast Thursday, we will have the actual value of Wednesday. We can do it at the end of Wednesday. We can forecast at the end of Wednesday. So if the actual values on Wednesday is 15, now see, we will be trying to move our average. So previous 2 time periods to forecast Thursday, we will take the average of Wednesday and Tuesday. So that is 30 plus 15 divided by 2. So this is going to give us 22.5. So similarly, if we want Friday, we can do at the end of Thursday. Suppose the actual demand at the end of Thursday is 35. Now we will take the average of previous two time periods, which is 15 and 35. So that is going to give us 15 plus 35 divided by 2. So that is 25. So that would be our forecast. So this is a 2-period forecast. So we are just moving two time period, moving our average by two time periods in 2-period forecasting. So if they ask us 3 periods, we will take the average of 3 time periods and try to move them 3 time periods. Suppose I wanted to do the same thing with 3-period moving average. So this is our forecast. So to calculate Monday, we need Sunday's actual value, we don't have. Saturday's actual value, we don't have. And then because it's a 3-period, we need Friday also, we don't have. So we can't calculate this. Similarly, if you look at Tuesday, we have Monday's actual value, but we don't have Sunday and Saturday, so we are not able to calculate. Wednesday, we have Tuesday's actual value, Monday's actual value, Sunday we don't have. We are not able to calculate that. So to calculate Thursday, we have Tuesday's actual value, Wednesday's actual value, Tuesday's actual value, and Monday's actual value. So we will be able to calculate. So that would be 15 plus 30 plus 20 divided by 3. So we are taking the average of those three. That is going to be 21.667. Similarly, if to calculate Friday, we have Thursday's actual value, Wednesday's actual value, and Tuesday's actual value. So we will take the average of 35 plus 15 plus 30 divided by 3. This is going to be 26.667. So this is how you are going to calculate moving average. It's just you need to know the time period and how many you take the average of those time previous time periods. So let's solve a problem on this. Dell Computer sells laptops. Table 1 presents 12-month sales for the year 2017. Forecast January 2018 using 2-period moving average, 3-period moving average, and 6-period moving average. So I wanted to calculate January 2018. So that is this one. So 2-period moving average, I just take the average of previous two time periods, which is 11 plus 14 divided by 2. This is going to give us 25 divided by 2. That's 12.5 units. So our forecast for January 2008 would be 12.5 units. So if we round off, we can round it off to 12 units or 13 units. So then the question asks for 3-period moving average. So I can write 3MA. So we are taking the average of previous 3 time periods. So that would be October's value is 21, November's is 11, and then December's is 14 divided by 3. So that is going to give us 46 divided by 3, that's 15.33. So again we can round it off to 15 or 16 units for our forecast. Now 6 time periods moving average, so we take previous 6 time periods, so that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we take the average of all this, so I will write here 6 period moving average. So the average would be 12 plus 13 plus 19 plus 21 plus 11 plus 14 divided by 6. So that is going to give us 90 divided by 6, that's 15 units. So in this I'm just taking 12, 13, 19, 21, 11 and 16, all those the average of all those numbers. So this concludes our lecture on moving average method of forecasting. Thank you.